In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll on Threads for iPhone. Polls on Threads are a simple, engaging way to get quick feedback from your audience, whether you're choosing a design, planning an event, or just curious about what people think. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you can post a clean, clear poll with confidence. First, open the Threads app on your iPhone. Give it a moment to load your home feed. Once you're in, look to the bottom center of the screen for the Create button. It's the square icon with a plus sign. Tap that to start a new post. You'll see a text field at the top for your post. Just below it, find the three dots icon. This opens extra creation tools. Tap the three dots, and from the drop-down that appears, select Poll. This turns your post into a poll format, adding fields for your question and answer choices. Now tap the What's New field and type your poll question. Keep it short, specific, and neutral so it's easy to understand and doesn't bias the responses. For example, instead of a long, complex question, aim for something direct that someone can read at a glance. Next, tap Option 1 and type your first answer choice. Make it distinct and clear. Short phrases usually work best. Then tap Option 2 and enter your second answer choice. Avoid overlapping answers or wording that might confuse voters. If your question calls for more than two options, tap. Add another option to include additional choices. Add only what you need. Too many options can dilute responses and make the decision harder for your audience. Before you post, take a second to read everything out loud. Check spelling, make sure the options cover the likely responses, and confirm the question matches the choices. Clarity here will lead to better, more reliable results. When you're happy with how it looks, tap Post on the right side of the screen. Your poll will go live instantly, appearing in your feed for others to see and vote on. Voters simply tap their choice, and results start to populate as responses come in. And that's it. You've created a poll on Threads using your iPhone. With a clear question and well-defined options, you'll get faster, more useful feedback from your community. If you found this helpful, try creating a few different polls to learn what format gets the most engagement. And keep your wording concise to encourage more people to participate.